How to use safety button in DiDi. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily use the DiDi safety button. So first thing first, just head over to your DiDi application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. And the process is you need to open the application during a trip to access the safety toolkit. And once you access the safety toolkit, you just need to tap the emergency button to contact local emergency services like 000 or your selected trusted contacts simultaneously. As the button automatically sends your live location and trip details to your trusted contacts and calls emergency services, providing the help with just a few taps. So, once you follow the prompts to confirm the action, which will then automatically send your current location and trip progress to your preset trusted contacts and connect you with the local law enforcement or emergency services. So I hope this video was informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.